Push those eyes right up. They're taking everything available.
Don't they have the most powerful bite in the world?
Yep. The strongest, I also thought it was that, but it's actually a crocodile's got more downforce than a hyena's got.
Serious.
Yeah. But definitely out of your mammals, it's the strongest, out of the mammals, it's the strongest jaw in the world. By far. The skull is specifically structured or made, or however you want to call it. It's got a huge ridge that goes in the middle, and there's a lot of muscle that comes right up to the back of the head.
Do they keep looking up for lions?
Yeah, for anything. Because they know that smell will attract anything.
So scary looking animals.
Yeah.
I want to hear
But they're prettier than what I think Lion King gave these guys a bad name.
Yeah.
They're one of the ugly five, eh?
Yeah, exactly. Have you looked at it on these three Misi on the Nyari feeder bump?
Very sure.
What's your belly button?
I'm sure got a ripped ear.
She's probably hot today.
It's probably cake, so it's
Yes, yeah, it's dry mud. They're eating everything there. Oh, good fat there. Oof. Delicious.
They're not aggressive towards each other when they eat, are they?
No. Watch that jaw with this one. It is chewing on a leg bone. And
No kidding.
You sometimes find hoof in their dung. Hoof is an antler. These guys eat anything here. Because they've got the acids in their stomach that can break it down. Yeah.
Look at that one staring there. Oh my god, they're so scary. How long have they been eating this for?
They arrived here last night.
She got
And how
that teeth or
how much had already been eaten before they got here? Like
Apparently about 70 to 80%.
eaten.
Yeah. I'll do now, Sam. I did think I saw a big nipples there. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
there's milk there. Definitely. Oh yeah. Definitely got pups. I'll spot it.
So where are they?
Definitely. Usually we close to Singita side, so it's bedding on that side normally. Because they know about our lions on this side.
Look at how many ribs are gone already.
Because the clans, they don't get too big. I mean, the clan will be led by a female. I'm assuming probably this female that's
Oh, she's sniffing us.
She's probably in charge of the clan. Probably the alpha female. But she looks very big. And also having milk, having chicks. Because they'll den like the wild dogs do. They'll have a den like that. That's why they're normally very easy to find if you've got a den.
Yeah, look at the one in the middle. How mean it looks.
You have to wait for an opportunity.
That looks really scary.
You see what William said about the hoof there?
yeah.
Yeah. Some real nice ribs there. Eh?
Yeah.
Bloody hell, I feel like some a briner.
Patrick, come in. Patrick, come in. Patrick.
Yeah, Patrick and this one.
No. Your face is this one.
Open channel, open.